So if you have bad sentence structure, then you can utilize DeepSeek to correct it out as well. So I can say something like correct sentence structure right here, just like this. So let's just go around and do this right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take let's say certain sentences over here from Wikipedia, just like this. And let me just press Ctrl C and then press Ctrl V right here. So now I can simply go ahead and, let's say for example, jumble up these particular sentences right here, which is an incorrect sentence structure. So if I were to go ahead and send this out right here now, then what happens is that it says here is the corrected sentence structure. And if you were to read it now, it makes sense again. So English is a West Germanic language with Indo-European language family. Its speakers called Anglophones originated in early medieval England on the island of Great Britain. And you can see that it corrected out the structure so that it makes sense out of it right here, just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and then change around the sentence structure, that is, get it corrected by using DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.